Hey there, I am Jay Surya, creator of Shadow Security Solutions. Want to know how to bypass Kali Linux password? So, this is the right place to learn it. Without wasting time, we will start the video.
Well, I'm no one's fool.
Okay, right now I am going to boot up my Kali machine here and let me see how to bypass Kali Linux password. This method is not only for the Kali Linux, this will work for all Linux and all distros. Here my Kali Linux is booting and if I enter into the Kali grub, then it will ask me to enter the username and password here. So the username is root as by default, and the password I don't know actually. I have here I took a scenario that I am a user and I forgot my password and I want to restore or I want to reset my password without losing any data. So here your password is incorrect. It was noticing that your password is incorrect. In this case, we have to shut down the system, then boot up again. When you boot up, then we have to enter into the advanced recovery mode option. Here in the grub it was mentioned advanced options for Kali Linux. Then here we have to enter with E. By pressing E key in the keyword, so this screen will be displayed in front of you. Then we have to search for the Linux parameter. Here there is a Linux parameter, as there are four versions installed in my Kali Linux 5.7.0 and 5.5.0, which is base and physical right now. So I am going to change for 5.7.0 version. In your case there will be only one version. You have to search for the Linux parameter here. After getting Linux parameter, as you can see the indicator in the screen, you have to make some changes here. By making some changes, you can get successfully bypass your Kali password. Here change RO to RW, and then here you have to enter initiate init equal to bin, then bash. So after this, as they mentioned down, press Ctrl X or F10 to boot. Then press F10. As I changed for this version, press enter. Then it gonna load some files, some system files, and this will give reversal from the root, as we can see here root. So here we have to enter passwd command and it will ask to enter new password. Now I am going to enter new password and we have to retype it again. Then as we can see here, password updated successfully. So in this scenario I am going to teach you that we can bypass Linux password, as if we forgot our previous password. Okay, so use this for legal purpose. If you are using this for illegal, we are not responsible for anything which you will face in your future. Then I will show you by shutting down, and I will show you that we can get successfully login into the new password by the new password. So I will show you. See here, we have to enter into the Kali, and then as by default the root use the username, and the updated password will be the password here. So root and the updated password which I have entered, then see it was successfully logged in. Here you can see my Kali interface. So thank you for watching. Follow our community.